This tripod is so nice. It is super lightweight, but it's got these great bases and this middle thing, so it won't fall over when Mama Kitty rubs against it. Like this one is really heavy, and it was dangerous. Like it kept falling over with the cube on it. So we have, I have this attachment that I already had for the phone, but this thing goes out and then it can go up and down. It's so nice. So let's use it. Nice. Doesn't look level. How do I make it sideways level? I don't know, but it's freaking amazing. Look at the baby. Okay, so we've got this toy for you. Yeah, I like to introduce new toys every day. Got black hair in here from previous kitties, but I want to teach her how to be brushed. First, let's put this blanket on though. I don't want the kittens to pee on the actual mat. Let's move you over here so you don't look at me too much. Get to see the kitties more. Excuse me, Mama. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's go this way or this way? Excuse me. Oh, hi, babies. This has been cleaned with the new stuff we got. Gosh, these babies are so tiny. You're so skinny. Kind of worried me that you're so skinny. Ow. You're getting all the food, huh? I don't know, the two tuxes are just really small. Maybe they're the runts. Thank you for the help. Are you stressed, Mama? Look at this kitty. This one's like tigery but real fluffy. Like a gray tiger. Mom's still purring. There we go. Oh, pretty color, huh? Tuck it in so that way it doesn't come up too much. And then I like putting the scratcher at the end. There we go. There's a cutie, Mama. There's the babies. So now I can hold them up for you with two hands. Gosh, her face is so big. You're okay. Oh gosh. Oh, it's time for the first claw cut. Oh no, now you're gonna eat. How about you? You're not eating yet. We just cut their little tips, little sharp tips off. Just make sure you don't get too short. I think I missed one. I didn't get it short enough. There you go. Got one paw. You did good. Can we do the other one? Oh, sassy. They pull on their arm, you don't want to pull on it. So just gotta be careful. Let it get your little one. I mean your thumb. It was really sharp. There. Okay, so I got one tux. Now the other one's coming over. That's convenient. Why are you guys so skinny? 1, 2, 3. Almost got them all. 4, 5. Aren't you being explorative? I can't think. I can't even talk. It's okay, Mama. She's like, okay, fine. Baby's not even crying for you. Or do you just want attention like Raven? No, I think she's a little more concerned about her babies. Yeah. One more. Can I get it? That was weird. That felt weird. What's going on here? What's going on back here? Oh, it's so fluffy. Look at those spots and fluff and softness. I know. Mama loves her babies. Just protective. This will be good because then their claws won't get cut. Got caught. They won't get caught in the blanket and get stuck. My guess is these kitties are about 17 days old. 18, maybe now. I'm sorry. It's okay, Mama. We're right here. Or are you moving because of those kitties? I can't tell. Okay, there you go. You're so protective. Yeah, you're so protective. Look at this one's a lot grayer. You can tell only when it's next to the others. I'm not gonna eat, so I'll leave them alone. Mama will probably welcome them not having claws on her belly. Look at this beautiful markings. I've never had a kitty with these cool stripes like this. I wonder if it'll be a marble. Oh, we need to get some food. You're so skinny. You're a good mama. How'd this get all furry? You're such a shedder. Yeah. You're silly. Wow. She sheds. That's for sure. Okay. Well. We will see you guys again soon. All the kitties are going to be nursing for a little while. And then they'll be so cute and fall asleep. They're so soft. I wish you could feel them. Like this is just, oh, I've never felt a baby kitten so soft. Okay, we'll see you later.